If your parrot sounds like a squeaky toy, you're in for a treat. Let's find out why. Parrots aren't just pretty faces with wings. Their vocalizations are like their own secret code. When they're happy, you might hear cheerful chirps or whistles. Feeling curious? They'll start mumbling and muttering, almost like they're gossiping. And get this, some parrots can mimic sounds from their environment, including voice. So, if Polly wants a cracker, it might just be because you said it first. Next time you hear your parrot squawking, listen closely. You might just unlock a new level of pet communication. Love learning about pets? Hit that subscribe button for more fun facts and tips.